In this video, you'll learn how to sync LinkedIn with Calendly so that you can share your availability directly from your LinkedIn profile or messages without constantly switching tabs or copying links. By the end, you'll have your browser set up so Calendly is ready to go whenever you're on LinkedIn. To begin, make sure you're using a compatible browser. Calendly offers an extension for Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox, so you'll need to be using one of those. If you're not sure which browser you're on, you can usually see the name in the top left corner of your screen or in the About section of the browser's menu. Next, you'll need to install the Calendly extension. In your browser, go to the official extension store. If you're using Chrome, that's the Chrome Web Store. For Edge, open the Edge add-on store. For Firefox, go to the Firefox add-on site. In the search bar of the store, type Calendly and look for the official Calendly extension. It should clearly show that it's published by Calendly. Once you've found it, click to open the extension page, then select the button to install or add it to your browser. Your browser may ask you to confirm that you want to add the extension and show you the permissions it needs, such as access to read the current page or display a button in your toolbar. Review these, then confirm to complete the installation. After it's installed, you should see the Calendly icon appear near the top right corner of your browser alongside your other extensions. If you don't see it right away, you may need to open your browser's extension menu and pin it so that it stays visible. This makes it easier to access when you're on LinkedIn. Now that the extension is installed, you'll want to sign into your Calendly account through the extension. Click the Calendly icon in your browser. A small window or tab should open, prompting you to log in. Enter your usual Calendly login details, and if your account uses two-step verification, complete that process as well. Once you're signed in, the extension will be connected to your Calendly account and ready to use. With that set up, it's time to go to LinkedIn. In the same browser where you installed the extension, open a new tab and go to the LinkedIn website. Sign into your LinkedIn account if you're not already logged in. Give the page a moment to fully load. The Calendly extension looks for specific LinkedIn elements, so a complete load helps it appear correctly. On LinkedIn, the Calendly extension may add buttons or icons in places like your message composer profile or when you're viewing someone else's profile. These options let you quickly insert your scheduling link or specific event types directly into a message or post. If you don't see anything right away, try refreshing the page, opening a conversation, or clicking on the Calendly icon in your toolbar while you're on a LinkedIn tab. From here, you can start using Calendly on LinkedIn to share your availability in just a few clicks instead of copying and pasting links from another tab. That's all you need to sync LinkedIn with Calendly using the browser extension.